Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, July 27th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the pound US dollar. We're going to start off on the monthly time frame, work our way all the way down to the 1 hour. So pretty much all year long, I've been saying that this is going to be an expanding ABC, which means that it's going to go up a lot more, probably all the way up to about the 1.5 and maybe even a lot higher for what looks like an A, a B, and a C, and an expanding ABC because this is three waves down with a lower low. I still think that is my main analysis, but I always like to keep a couple alternatives in the back pocket. We cannot deny that this is lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. There's really nothing stopping this from making another lower high and continuing all the way back down and taking out the previous lows. So we always need to keep alternatives. If we identify the end of this wave up on shorter time frames, it could be a wave C and it could possibly reverse back down. If we don't identify the end of a trend on shorter time frames, it may just continue to go up and make that expanding. So luckily, either scenario, I should be able to recognize it. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is my breaker structure point. This is the last swing low that was made before the price was able to make a new swing high. So if it breaks and holds below here, then I'm going to have to admit that maybe this is a wave C and maybe it is going to just continue the downtrend. If it doesn't break and hold below here, then it could easily reject this area and just continue up in that big old wave 3 of an expanding ABC all the way up to like 1.5 and maybe even a lot higher. So we just try to take it one step at a time. I'm definitely bullish until the market tells me otherwise by breaking structure on roadmap time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, I mean, yes, we have been going down pretty strong, but no break of structure yet. Just because it's going down strong doesn't mean that it's a reversal. What means it's a reversal is a nice break and hold below structure, which we don't have yet. And if it does happen, I'll be more than happy to start looking for shorts probably for the next 6 months or more, honestly. But for now, we are definitely still very bullish. I mean, this very easily could be an ABC to the uptrend, and we still could be in that big giant wave 3 on the monthly time frame. Or this could be a wave C, it could go down, break structure, and then spend the next 6 months in a downtrend. One step at a time. Right now, the market is still telling us that the trend is technically up on the weekly, monthly, and daily. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. Now, this could be a wave A. This whole move down could be a wave A. This move up could be a wave B. We could be in a wave C right now. If it goes back down to these lows and then reverses back up, breaks structure, that's an ABC, and it's probably just going to keep going up. On the other hand, it could also be a wave 1, it could be a wave 2, and it could be a wave 3. If it is a wave 3, it will not break structure to the upside, but instead, it will go down and break that daily structure that I'm trying to watch to confirm whether we are in a big reversal to the downside or not. So that's like I always say, that's why I take it one step at a time. Let's allow the market to tell us what to do. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, if you are trading like the 1 hour time frame and below, I would definitely still be recommending shorts. While you're looking for shorts, if it does something like this, break structure to the upside like that, that's a wave C. That would turn us back into a buyer and we would start looking for longs again. While we're looking for shorts, if it does something like this and breaks and holds below structure with momentum, the daily structure, that's what's going to tell me that this possibly is a wave C on the weekly monthly and that we need to stay bearish probably for at least the next 6 months or so, to be honest with you. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.